What's this?
Bar, 7-Eleven rooftop. They have a skateboard, live DJ, have a beer pong, pool table.
How much?
festival. One beer, $1.
One beer, $1?
One cocktail, one buy one get one free for now from 8
Oh, really?
to 10. Yeah.
8 to 10? What time now?
Now 8:22.
Oh, maybe.
Come on. And later on, busy, a lot of girls.
Oh, really?
A lot of pussy.
I like boys.
Yeah.
I'm just
You
kidding.
like
Oh, deal. Hi guys, so nandito tayo ngayon sa may kabaan ng Pub Street dito sa may Cambodia. And gusto ko lang tignan kung ano nga bang meron dito ngayon. Ito yung parang pinaka nightlife dito sa Cambodia guys, sa Siem Reap. And medyo kakaiba siya pagdating sa may Phnom Penh. Sa Phnom Penh kasi is yung nightlife nila doon is sobrang red district talaga. Halos sa mga may kita nyo guys doon is mga kabaan na kung saan mo, puro mga lady boys tsaka mga lady. Pero dito halos mga inuman yung mayroon dito ngayon guys. Ayoko lang iharap yung camera kasi baka may ilang mga tao na ayaw na lang ipakita yung mukha nila habang nagiinom sila. So maging private life, nice. Pero hindi, joke lang yun. Papakita ko yung mga mukha talaga nila. Pakita ko sa inyo guys yung kabaan dito ng Pub Street dito sa Cambodia. Yung mga kainan dito, halos mga western restaurant. Hi. Ayan, so Pub Street. I think from here to there. And yan yung kabaan ng Pub Street guys. Parang hindi siya ganun kalalang inuman. Unlike sa Vietnam, dun sa may Bui Bien, compared to Bui Bien, sobrang talaga, sobrang daming tao, maingay, at minsan magulo. Alata nagpunta ako dun no? Tapos dito pa lang may kita nyo rin yung yung pinaka night market. Dun kapag diniretso nyo to, may kita nyo yung pinaka night market nila dun. Tapos sa banda naman dito, puro mga inuman na, pero pang mga western restaurant yung meron. Tapos dito, ayan, meron silang palengke. Market pa rin, mga bilihan ng mga damit. Tapos merong outlet dito. Market dito. Ayan. I think ito na yung pinakadulo niya. Tapos, this is duty-free outlet. Tapos, dito pala guys. What is this?
Yeah, ice cream roll. Yes.
Ice cream roll?
Yeah.
With flavor?
Yes, and 2 flavor and 1 flavor.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, all fresh roll. And Coke.
Okay, maybe I will just walk around first.
Yeah.
Thank you. Ito yung era ng buhay ko na wala na akong pakialam sa mga taong nakatingin sa akin. Kailangan kong gumawa ng way talaga para makatakas sa mundo ng pagbabarko, kaya nagbablog ako. Nice! So, ito guys yung Pub Street ng Angkor. Ayan. Tapos dito, I think Pub Street pa rin to eh.
What's Bar, 7-Eleven rooftop. They have a skateboard, live DJ, have a beer pong, pool table.
How much?
festival. One beer, $1.
One beer, $1?
One cocktail, buy one get one free for now from 8
Oh, really?
to 10. Yeah.
8 to 10? What time now?
Now 8:22.
Oh, maybe.
Come on. And later on, busy, a lot of girls.
Oh,
A
really?
lot of pussy.
I like boys.
Yeah.
I'm just
You
kidding.
like
Oh, deal. So, meron nagbigay sa atin dun guys sa isang papel. Parang ito ata ay sobrang wild na inuman mamaya. So, merong Empire. I think parang mamahalin ata na inuman yan. Tapos, mga restaurant pa rin. Ito na yung kahabaan niya. Ito na yung pinakadulo niya. Ito yung sinasabi niya guys. Ito yung X. Yung binigay sa atin, ay yung pala yun. Yan. Ito pala yun, guys. So, itry natin mamaya ito. Joke lang, hindi ko itatry. So, ito na yung pinakadulo niya. I-try natin na na kumain ng ice cream dito kasi I think yun yung pinaka-popular na pagkain dito. So, hindi ko alam kung iinom tayo, pero hindi ako iinom. Ang init, nakakainis. Pakita ko lang sa inyo yung view. Ito, siya ngayon. Angkor Wat, nakikita nyo dyan. Puro mga kainan. George Bar. And yes! Maghanap lang tayo guys ng maraming kumakain na mga ice creaman. Kasi doon tayo sa
Yeah, man. How are you, brother? Where you from?
Philippines.
Filipino.
Yeah. And you?
Me?
Yeah.
Jamaica.
Jamaica?
Yeah, Siem Reap, Jamaica.
Why you here?
Yeah, man. Working.
Working.
Kidding.
Jamaica is South
Siem Reap,
Africa.
Jamaica.
Jamaica is South Africa, right?
I don't know.
You're Jamaica. You're kidding me, huh?
Because I love Bob.
You love? You love reggae.
Yeah, I love reggae.
Yeah.
But I work at the hip hop bar.
Keep up, man. There.
Thanks, Bob. Beautiful. Busy, brother.
Really busy?
Every night, busy. Hip hop pro, all in one.
All in one.
Yeah, I love the game.
Games.
Yeah, live DJ from Filipino too.
There's also Filipino there?
a lot,
lot of
but
Filipino.
DJ every night Filipino.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Okay.
DJ.
Okay.
Yeah.
I will going to eat ice cream first and I wanna...
Ice cream?
Yeah. Kain tayo na... Ito guys, napakita ko sa inyo. Hi. I can sit. I can sit there?
Yeah.
There? What's the best here? Avocado. Can I try avocado? It's expensive. $3. All are $3. Can I get this one? Avocado mixed coconut.
It's $3. You want pay now?
Pay now? Pay later maybe? Pay later? Okay.
You want this one?
Yeah, over there. Thank you. So, dito tayo ngayon sa may Pub Street, guys. So, I think maraming usually mga inuman dito. Pero isa sa mga popular na sabi nila na dapat yung gawin dito is bumili kayo ng ice cream rolls nila. Actually, maraming ganito sa Vietnam. Pati sa Thailand. Parang popular ata to sa dito sa may Indochina. Kasi sa Pilipinas wala akong masyado nakikita eh. Pero ganito nila ginagawa. Nice. So, ganyan ginagawa yung ice cream. Talagang kailangan mo ng master talaga ng paggagawin mo yan. Parang puro tok-tok yung ginagawa mo. Yan nga natin. Init. Hindi ko gusto yung weather talaga dito sa Cambodia. Sobrang init. I will pay now. How much? In real?
12,000.
12,000. 10,000. 1,000. 1,000. Thank you. So, nandito na yung order natin, guys. Itong vanilla avocado with coconut. Tikman nga natin. Kuha tayo ng toppings doon. Can I borrow this one? So, lagyan natin na guys ng Hershey. Not too much. This one free also? Here. So, pwede kayong mag-toppings dun guys. Meron silang parang sprinkles, Hershey chocolate, tsaka Stick O wafers. This one. This is really perfect ngayong gabi na to dahil sobrang init, abot singit. Hindi ko kaya yung dito, hindi ko kaya yung weather talaga. Sobrang pinagpapawisan ako. Pero anyway, etong Pub Street na to guys, hindi ko alam kung maraming tao ngayon dahil Sabado today. Pero halos wala gaano mga foreigner dito gaano guys. Halos mga local people yung mga nandito ngayon. At hindi siya ganun kahaba, yung Pub Street niya halos maikli lang. Pero ang dami mga restaurant ang meron dito. Parang mga western restaurant yung meron sila dito ngayon guys. Hindi siya tulad sa mga nightlife sa Pub Street dito sa Vietnam. Pare, kakaiba siya dahil doon is hindi puro mga restaurant yung nakapila doon. Ang nakapila doon is puro mga inuman. Napansin ko dito guys, yung production ng mga prutas sila dito, sobrang dami talaga. At sobrang mumura ng mga prutas sila dito. Yung avocado nila dito, alam nyo kung gano'n lang? For $1, meron na kayong 2 piraso ng avocado. At sobrang tamis at ang laki ng avocado nila dito. Gusto ko yung texture ng ice cream nila dito guys. Hindi siya ganun katigas at hindi na siya ganun katamis. Nagbe-blend yung yung avocado tsaka yung coconut. So I think sobrang perfect nung nabili ko na na flavor dito. Say hi. Where you from?
Cambodia.
Cambodia. You're Cambodian? What's your name? Ibutsa? Butsa. And you? What?
Kanika.
Kanika. Your friend is really shy. Are you going to buy some ice cream? So what's your favorite flavor? What's your favorite flavor? Chocolate? Ah, okay. I see it. Enjoy. Talagang sobrang mababait ang mga dito, ang mga Cambodian. Hindi ko alam, pero I feel sobrang welcoming ng mga tao dito. Hindi sila yung sobrang snobbish. At the same time, talagang yung gesture nila, makikita nyo na sobrang polite talaga nila, tsaka respectful ng mga tao talaga dito. Why? Why? Why are you smiling? Why are you smiling? Why are you smiling? No. How old are you? 22? You? 19? 19, okay. And you? Are you friends or boyfriend? Sibling. Very different face. And this one, siblings? Say hi. Hi. All you siblings?
Yes.
Siblings all? Siblings. Boyfriend?
Boyfriend.
Boyfriend. Okay. You are boyfriend? Okay. Siblings, friends, siblings, 3. Then boyfriend. This is your bodyguard. Your bodyguard? Okay. Ayo I'm just kidding. You always here? Where do you live? Ay, the camera. Where do you live here? Where are you from? Cambodia? Okay, Phnom Penh. I was there yesterday. I just arrived yesterday night. I was in Phnom Penh last day for 3 days. Is here? I think 4 or 5. Then going to Laos. Yeah. Why do you came here? The Angkor Wat.
Yeah.
Okay.
Not yet. Tomorrow.
Tomorrow. I will go also tomorrow in Angkor Wat. Huh? Vlog, yeah, vlog. You will eat here? You want to eat here? Yeah. Sit. We will eat together. What's your favorite food in Cambodia? What is the best food in Cambodia? What is the best food in Cambodia?
It's hard to say.
Food.
It's hard to say. Maybe I have a lot.
Lao Chang is very good.
Lao Chang.
Lao Chang.
Lot Chang.
Yeah. Sorry, how to pronounce it?
Lot Chang.
Locha.
Yeah.
Locha?
Lacha.
Not Lochang?
Not Lacha.
Okay, this one. I'm gonna show you. I eat in this one. Locha?
Yes.
Night market. You know this one? Night market, Phnom Penh. Night market. Are you from Phnom Penh?
Yes.
Night market. Oh, really? You never eat here? The
Yeah.
food is good. Really? I tried today. I eat tonight. I eat. Yeah. Very good. I like the grasshopper. It's really tasty. We will video together. Hey, say hi. What's your name again? Buta? Uta.
Ha.
Buta.
Ha.
Buta. And you? Krila.
Da.
La.
I don't
Sorry.
have to pronounce it.
It's okay. Krila. And you, what's your name? What's your English? Do you have an English name? No, only Cambodian name. It's really hard to pronounce. Buta. Krila. So this is like a common name in Cambodia. Pero.
Arrow.
Arrow. What was that? Chocolate? Chocolate. And this was chocolate also? So are you going to party tonight? Only ice cream. You going to party tonight or only ice cream? Only ice cream. That's sure. You're beautiful. Yeah. You look so young.
Yeah, you have to believe it.
Really?
Yeah,
How old?
I think you'll be like 2.
Really? You're
Yeah.
kidding me. Fuck. Really? I look so young?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm saying. Wow, it's really nice to hear that. So, why you came here only for the temple? Break time. Phnom Penh is really loud. Yeah, it's loud. It's polluted, right? It's polluted. It's too much people. Here is really quiet for me. Quiet, relaxed, chill.
Some fresh air.
Yeah, fresh air. True.
Temple.
Yeah.
Along the way.
Oh yeah. I like it. I'm really happy to be here. Nice to meet you guys. Am I handsome? Just kidding. Guys, I meet some Cambodian teenager here. This is Butta. Krila, Kanika, and you? Menchu. Okay, I'm Iro. Say hi. Nice to meet you guys. Nice.